Shopify has over 2,000 apps on their app store. With that many apps at your disposal, it's kind of hard to choose the right one. Choosing the right one will take some time, effort, a lot of testing, and overall, it's a fairly tedious process. Choosing the right app can, in fact, influence how our customers view our store. Some of them help us give better customer service, while others help us upsell. But don't you worry, because that's exactly what we're going to be covering in this video. We're going to be covering the top 10 best Shopify apps for your dropshipping store. What's going on, everyone? Mar here with 𝐏𝐸𝐷S, and if you like videos on the dropshipping business or how to start and scale yours, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as leave a like, because that's part of what we cover on this channel. So if you don't want to miss out on any future content to be able to scale your business, make sure to subscribe. Having the right Shopify apps in our store can really make the entire business process a lot more manageable. Shopify apps can really help us with conversions, higher profits, better customer service, and the list goes on and on. A few examples of what apps can actually do for our store is, for one, they can help us fulfill entire orders. They can also help us chat directly with customers and give the best possible customer service. Now, apps really do have the potential to help us scale our dropshipping stores to a whole nother level. So choosing the right ones is crucial. So without further ado, let's kick off the countdown for our top 10 picks for the best dropshipping apps for your Shopify store. Kicking off the countdown in at number 1, we have none other than 𝐏𝐸𝐷S. 𝐏𝐸𝐷S is a platform for dropshippers made by dropshippers. They have an impressive 4.8 out of 5 on the App Store and have a lot of very powerful tools to be able to help start automating and scaling your dropshipping business. They have an extremely handy product research and product import tool. This tool helps you find and import products to your store with just a few clicks. You also have complete and total order fulfillment through your buyer accounts or through the 𝐏𝐸𝐷S platform, so you can still use your current suppliers. Now, along with the entire order fulfillment, they also have automatic tracking number updates. So as soon as your order ships, you can rest assured that your customer is going to be getting an email with a tracking number. Now, one of my personal favorite features from 𝐏𝐸𝐷S is the fact that we have price and stock monitoring. With the price and stock monitoring, you never have to worry about running out of inventory or price fluctuations. 𝐏𝐸𝐷S will automatically update your stock or adjust prices for price fluctuations. Now, another very handy thing that we offer over 𝐏𝐸𝐷S is resources. If you need help, we're there for you. 𝐏𝐸𝐷S has tons of resources like this YouTube channel, blogs, ebooks, mentorship programs, and more. So if you want to check us out over 𝐏𝐸𝐷S, then make sure to check out the description down below. The link will be there. And that doesn't just go for 𝐏𝐸𝐷S. Any of the other dropshipping apps that I'm going to mention in this video will be there as well. 𝐏𝐸𝐷S starts at just $9.90 a month on the annual plan. Now, coming in our second spot, we have Printful. Printful is a print-on-demand app where you're able to submit your designs and have them printed onto either things like t-shirts, tumblers, cups, mugs, the list goes on. They have a 4.6 out of 5 on the App Store, and they have some very high-quality prints. They offer custom branding as well as packaging, so you can have your entire order customized to your liking or to your brand colors, with your brand logo, whatever it may be. They also have a very powerful built-in mockup generator. So you're able to make mockups directly on the app. There's no need to go on Photoshop and start doing all the work through there. Everything is right on Printful to make it easier for you. The Printful app starts at just $9 a month. At number 3, we have 𝐶𝐽 Dropshipping. 𝐶𝐽 Dropshipping helps with product sourcing, product listing, and complete order fulfillment. Now, one of the cool things about 𝐶𝐽 Dropshipping is the fact that they have the ability to source products that are not yet on their platform. So if there's something that you like that you don't see on the website or their platform, then you can go ahead and request it and they'll get it for you. That could give you a competitive advantage against other stores that don't have that product. 𝐶𝐽 Dropshipping has an impressive 4.7 out of 5 on the App Store, and they have amazing customer service. Now, the app is free to install, but some service fees can apply. In our number 4 spot, we have Printify. Printify is another print-on-demand supplier with affordable print-on-demand products and high-quality custom designs. They have a wide variety of products such as t-shirts, phone cases, mouse pads, and a lot more. They offer fast delivery with local warehouses, and they also have a mockup generator. They have a 4.4 out of 5 on the App Store, and their paid plan starts at just $29 a month. Landing into our number 5 spot, we have Pagefly Landing Page Builder. Try saying that 5 times fast. Landing pages typically are the first thing that a customer sees whenever they land on your website. Hence the term landing page. Pagefly gives you the tools to help you create high converting landing pages to be able to help start increasing profits and scaling your business. They have over 90 easy to use and easy to customize professional templates to really make your store stand out, and they also offer a very convenient and handy page speed optimizer. What the page speed optimizer does is it optimizes your page so that way it loads a lot faster without any hiccups. It's been proven time and time again that the longer a customer has to wait for a website to load, the more likely they are to just click away and forget about the site. Pagefly also has some very powerful marketing and sales tools, such as a countdown timer. Countdown timers can be great because they create a false sense of urgency. It gets the customer thinking, I need this deal now before they run out. They also have things like badges, variation swatches, and a lot more. Their paid plans start at just $25 a month. Now, really quick before we continue this countdown, if you're finding this information useful, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. Now, let's get back to it. Optimizing our number 6 spot, we have SEO speed and image optimizer. Without getting too deep into it, SEO or search engine optimization is crucial to getting our pages found. Without the proper SEO, it can be a lot harder for a customer to find our webpage or for us to rank higher in search engines such as Google. This app is built to help improve your customer's experience on your website. With its user interface optimizer, this app can do just that. And it also helps with higher conversion rates because your customer is getting a smoother experience on your website. It also has SEO enhancement tools which help you start ranking higher in search engines, and an image optimizer as well. What the image optimizer does is it helps compress images on your website so they don't take up as much space and can improve the loading times of your store. The SEO speed and image optimizer app starts at just $1.99 a month, and let me tell you that it's worth it. It has a perfect 5 out of 5 on the App Store. In our number 7 spot, we have Frequently Bought Together. Frequently Bought Together has been around since 2017, and for good reason. It's one of the best apps currently available that help you increase profits by upselling and recommending products. This app uses a proven AI recommendation system to be able to help you upsell those products. You're also able to customize product bundles with a bunch of different relevant products that work together and sell them at a discounted rate, increasing your average order value. This app also helps by recommending products that are frequently bought or used together. It has a 4.9 out of 5 on the App Store and starts at just $9.99 a month. Being pinned to our number 8 spot, we have Pinterest. Most people, when they have a question or they need an answer, they're gonna go to Google. But when they have an idea or they need to get inspired and get some ideas, they're gonna go to Pinterest. People absolutely love going to Pinterest for ideas and inspiration to do almost anything, especially when it comes to events. So if there's anything like a baby shower, a wedding, or anything of that nature, you can rest assured that people are going to be going to Pinterest to be able to search up different products and ideas. Now, this can really come in handy if you have a relevant product for what people are searching for. This app helps you reach more customers by automating posts to the ever-growing and very popular social media platform, Pinterest. A really cool feature about the Pinterest app is the fact that you can track your content's performance using the Pinterest tags. You're also able to sync all of your Shopify listings to Pinterest itself, and that helps you bring in a lot of organic traffic. The Pinterest app has a 4.8 out of 5 and is totally free to use. In our number 9 spot, we have Shopify Inbox. I absolutely love Shopify Inbox. It lets customers send you direct messages and it lets you reply back to them. Those messages you can receive in the form of a chat or through email. A cool thing about this is the fact that you're able to integrate it with social media platforms such as Facebook Messenger, Instagram Chat, and a few others. If a customer has any question regarding their order, this app helps you to correctly answer them and give them the right information by being able to see the items that they've viewed in the past, their past orders, and your message history. The Shopify Inbox app helps you automate responses as well as frequently asked questions. Last but certainly not least, in our number 10 spot, we have Judge Me Product Reviews. Judge Me Product Reviews is a fantastic app because it helps collect reviews after an order has been fulfilled. It also has a very handy review importer. So if your supplier has a bunch of reviews, especially positive ones, you can import those reviews into your product listing. Now, on top of that, you're also able to manage those reviews and pick and choose which ones you want to include and which ones you don't. This app has a perfect 5 out of 5 in the App Store, and the paid plan starts at just $15 a month. Now, I'm really curious to know, did your favorite app make it to this list? If it didn't, make sure to drop it down in the comments below so that way I can check it out and maybe even include it in a future video. Also, remember that if you want to check out any of these apps, I'm going to have a link to the article down in the description below. Once again, my name is Mario with 𝐴utoDS, and if you like videos on the dropshipping business and how to be able to grow and scale yours, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as leave a like so that way you don't miss out on any future videos. Huge thank you to everyone for watching. I wish you all nothing but success in your dropshipping business, and I'll catch you all in the next video.